This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Cristina Arcusa. Charming single-story home with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac. Open concept layout with golf course views and a kitchen featuring granite countertops, perfect for cooking and entertaining. The master suite boasts a walk-in closet and a spacious bathroom, plus a 2-car garage for convenience. Currently tenant-occupied with $2,150 per month in rental income, an excellent opportunity for investors or buyers looking for a move-in ready home in the future. Don't miss your chance to see this property in person. For more information, review the details below or contact Cristina Arcusa at 888-668-8283.